Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 9th. Hope you will be fine by the grace of God. We are studying gravitation. Today we shall study its another important topic, that is importance of gravitational force. You said other part for gravitation. It exists between two objects, it exists between earth and the sun. It has a very large value when mass of objects is very large. Gravitational, you have derived the value of gravitational constant G, and we have already we have done some numericals which explain the gravitational force offered by earth on smaller objects. What is that? That's 9.8 Newton. Today we shall study the importance of gravitational force. Dear students, in the solar systems, planets move in almost circular orbits around the sun, and satellites move in circular orbits around the planets. So in the solar system, planets circular or almost circular orbits, nearly circular orbits, around the sun move kara. The satellites kara move around the planets. Satellites kara move around the planets. Just like it can move revolve around this planet Earth. Even the circular motion, responsible force, that is centripetal force. A force called centripetal force is needed to make an object move in a circular path. A circular path, orbital path. At force circles this is circle continue motion continue circles motion continue this circular motion. That force is a centripetal force. It is that force which makes an object to move in a circular path. In the case of planets moving around the sun, planet, the centripetal force is provided by gravitational force of the planets. The centripetal force is provided by the gravitational force of planets. Planets upon gravitational force go centripetal force gravitational force of planets. Planets is Earth planet, gravitational force that makes it to move around the sun. Around the sun, the centripetal force is provided by Earth sun with the case of sun and this Earth. It is offered by the gravitational force of planet such a circular path continues move. In the case of sun and Earth, the mass of sun is a star, and the Earth planet are very large. Among dushwain mass very large. They exert very large force on one another. Very large force it is the gravitational force between sun and the Earth. It is gravitational force between sun and Earth which keeps the Earth in uniform circular motion around the sun. This motion is because of this motion that Earth it revolves around the sun in a circular motion. Similarly, the gravitational force between Earth and the Moon. Gravitational force between Earth and Moon. Earth is the Moon's darmiyan gravitational force makes the Moon revolve at uniform speed around the Earth. Moon, this is Moon, it revolves around the Earth in a circular. Why it moves? It is because of how it moves. It is because it moves because of this gravitational force between Earth and the Moon. It is gravitational force. Use of the gravitational force, you just continue move in a circular orbit. Thus the gravitational force is responsible for the existence of our solar system. Gravitational force solar systems motion is circular motion. This moon moves around a planet moves around a star, this sun. It is because the gravitational force generate force at the centripetal force. The tides in the sea formed by the rising and falling of water. The tides by rising and falling water in the sea are due to the gravitational force of attraction which the sun and the moon exert on water surface. Yani sun moon exert a force tim such water tides generate because of gravitational force that the sun and the moon water tide and the universal law of gravitation is used to determine the masses of sun, the earth and the moon. Search is mass of sun and earth and moon other things determine تھوڑا بہت یہِ پَتہ کہِ یہِ گرٛیوِٹیشنَل فورس یہِ کوتاہ اِمپاٹَنٛٹ چھِ کٕم چیٖز موٗمٮ۪نٛٹ آف planets around this star planets around the stars in like sun and the movement of satellites around the planets یہِ چھِ اَمی gravitational forces سۭتۍ گژھان and formation of tide it is because of this gravitational force that exists between sun and the moon that sun and moon exert on the water surface in the sea. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.